So here's the Caney River. And then here on the left is the Riverside Campground at the intersection here of Quapaw and Adams Boulevard. It is Good Sam's and AAA certified here at Campground. I have not stayed here, but I come to Bartlesville quite often, so. Have a few pull-through sites. Looks like they probably have some monthly parking here as well. And it looks like it won't be able to pull around the building, so we'll just exit out of here and call it a day. Just wanted to show you this small little campground. If you come to Bartlesville, it is very close to downtown and conveniently located, as you can see, from I-25. Anyhow, give this video a thumbs up, like, subscribe to my channel if you like what I've been doing, and other than that, have a great day.